let's see how beautiful fire is today. Fire is on actual fire. See? Arey wow! So you recognize me. You came out to meet me. See? What does it do? Hi? No? Okay, that's not my hand. Don't get confused with the nail paint. Oh, it's allowing us to play with it, right? Okay, fire, I'm not here to feed you. I just came to talk with you. Oh, you got a beautiful eye. What about your beak? Okay. Did you recognize your mother is not your biological mother? Are you allowing her to come inside? Okay. Don't just stare at me. Answer my question. No? Okay, go ahead and sleep. Bye.